Welcome back to Little Yacht Sales. Today we've got yet another Lagoon Catamaran. This is our 2019 Lagoon 42 with the popular 3-cabin 3-head owner's version layout with the master stateroom in the entire starboard hull. This is a one-owner like-new model, and let's check it out. Some features include the B&G electronic package, solar panels on the roof, and upgraded AGM batteries. This catamaran is very lightly used with low hours on the engine and generator, and is a great opportunity for you to start cruising right away. Stepping aboard is effortless with the wide transom steps, and also back here is the dinghy davit and hoist system. The cockpit itself is extremely spacious with a ton of places to sit, from the L-shaped settee surrounding the teak table to the lounger up high. Other features here include a lot of storage under the seats, waterproof speakers, and a fridge. The helm is up a few steps with enough elbow room for two and has great visibility. The B&G electronics, sail controls, and the double electric winches are all within arm's reach. You are still able to see the sails through the composite hardtop. The stairs to the coach roof gives you quick access to the main and boom, but the roof is also a great place to lounge, especially with the cushions that have the built-in backrests. Moving forward is safe and easy due to the wide decks and flush hatches, and once forward, you'll find the most enjoyable seats in the house. She has a Dacron square top main with a custom additional head sail. The hatches near the windlass hide a ton of storage, as well as the Cummins generator. We enter through the wide sliding door which, when open, turns the cockpit and salon into one large space. We're greeted by the crystal clear salon windows that provide great light, and panoramic views in the forward windows can open for a nice breeze. The L-shaped settee and ottoman is to port and can comfortably seat several people around the dining table. The U-shaped galley is in the perfect location to starboard, easily accessible from the cockpit as well. It features a 3-burner stove, a microwave, an oven below, and plenty of counter space and storage. To port is even more storage, the flat screen TV, and a fridge and freezer which are cleanly blended into the cabinetry. On the starboard side of the salon, the nav station is forward with full B&G electronics and a Fusion entertainment system. Let's go below to the luxurious owner's stateroom and private head in the starboard hull. The owner's suite features a dressing table, library, sofa, and numerous other storage spaces. The forward berth is a roomy island double berth with storage below, and the generous hatches, port lights, and other openings flood the cabin with light. The ensuite head and separate shower are to aft, and like the rest of the yacht, it is clean and modern with plenty of storage. On the other side, the porthole houses the guest cabins. The forward berth is a double with side access. It has a great view through the wide windows and has a private combined head and shower. The aft guest cabin is set up similarly to the owner's stateroom with an island double berth and plenty of storage. This stateroom has an ensuite head with a separate shower. The two engines are located under hatches on the aft decks of both hulls. The boat is powered by twin 57 horsepower Yanmar diesels with low hours. This yacht also has the upgraded AGM batteries with 2 additional 140 amp service batteries and inverter. The Lagoon 42 is brilliantly designed and is one of the best catamarans on the market. This is a great chance to purchase a 2019 one-owner Lagoon catamaran with low hours. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.